Everybody, Willie Exploring here. Today I'm at home and just doing stuff around the house. So I am going to be changing my furnace air filter on my Carrier furnace because it's time to be changed. Yeah, come do that with me. So I've got a Carrier furnace and a Ranger air conditioning system. Don't look at the last time it was serviced. It definitely needs to be serviced, but it's still running great. So we're going to open it up. First thing we need to do is just find our filter access, which is right up there above it. And we just pop that up, and look in there. I've got a 13 by 21.5 by 1 inch filter, and we pay close attention to our airflow indicator. Let's pull this thing out. Luckily, I don't need to put my dates on here because I have an Ecobee thermostat that reminds me when to change it. Look at that nice and dirty thing. The filter I'm going to put in is a little bit different, but you can see it's cleaner than that one. So we've got a dog, 3 kids, and there's me and my wife living in the house. So it gets pretty dusty, and this is just within, I don't know, a month, a little more than a month's worth of use. Alright, make sure we got the same size listed. Got my airflow indicator pointing the same direction. Just slide it up here, and we push it in. Make sure it goes in flat. Kind of peek in there a little bit, make sure everything's covered, and we're in all the way. Put our filter access back on. And that's it. I've changed my filter. Next thing, look at that light flashing. It's the infrared light. Come into my Ecobee thermostat. Go into the system, my notifications, alerts and reminders, furnace maintenance, filter changed. And that is it. We are good to go. Alright, well, thanks for changing my air filter with me. I'm Willie Exploring. See ya.